Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the trailer. Chalk wheels and set the parking brake so nothing moves. Once secure, disconnect the trailer plug or battery to prevent the controller from energizing the brakes. Now break the lug nuts loose while the wheel is on the ground, jack the axle and place sturdy stands under the frame. Make sure the jack sits under the axle flange. This keeps the hub from rotating. When the wheel is off, set it aside and inspect the hub for obvious damage before continuing. With the wheel removed, remove the grease cap, then the cotter pin and retainer. You want to back off the spindle nut while keeping track of the washer and spacer order. This preserves adjustment. Next, pull the hub and drum assembly straight off the spindle. If it's stuck, give the hub a few light taps with a rubber mallet while supporting the brake backing plate. Once the drum clears, lay it down and inspect bearings and races for wear. If bearings are seized, you'll need a press or puller to separate parts. You finish by servicing or replacing bearings, races, and the seal. Repack bearings with fresh grease and press the seal squarely. Reinstall the hub onto the spindle, set the spindle nut to the recommended per load, then back off to achieve proper end play and secure with a new cotter pin. Once the grease cap and wheel are back on, lower the trailer and torque lug nuts. If the drum refuses to come off, try moderate heat around the drum edge or use a slide hammer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.